Hi, Gail Sawchuk here. Just a quick video to show you how to find your tracking numbers for orders that you have submitted or that customers have put through. So here you are on your dashboard, and you can click here right on this logo. Recently, it's been taking 2 clicks, so I'll click again. And then scroll down, and your order may be different depending on how you set it up, but these will be all of your tracking. It'll talk about the order date, the order number, the order type. So you've got inventory, book fare, customer, book, web sale. I believe that one's customer service. So lots of different types on there. And then here we'll talk about your PO number, your ship date, and then the tracking number. So I can click here and it will pop up on tracking UPS. I definitely recommend signing up for UPS tracking services, and then you will get email updates when books are going to be delivered to you. This one just got processed, so it's just going to tell me the label. It won't tell me when it will come. But typically, if it's already been shipped out, then it will give you the information about when it will arrive. Let's find a different one here. So this one said it was delivered on Friday. So you can let your customers know when they can expect books, which is really fantastic customer service. Once it's delivered, you can make sure that everything's okay with their order, and so you can take care of any issues that might arrive right away. That's it. Thanks.